Hello, I'm going to show you a quick demo of Gitizi. Gitizi is a prompt library where user can execute their prompts on their different models. It's based on Git server, and user can start, fork, and version their prompt. I'm going to give you this example with the easy prompt generator. It's going to generate a prompt using the markup language I create called like easy. This markup language allow the tools to orchestrate which prompts going to be called, which information going to pass, and eventually to call like call tools. I'm going to run this one. And this prompt is about creating an easy prompt for any subject, any given subject. Here I will be talking about a trip to San Francisco. San Francisco, right? Okay, it's going to generate a prompt with the markup language, and could be pasted into the tools. In Gitizi, I can call different model. The model I use here is GPT-4, but as you can see, I can use a different model, open source and proprietary. The goal is to make it easy for users to use different model and orchestrate their AI workflow without having to have different services and different API keys to handle. Okay, you can see here it generates like a markdown document with the block prompt, and I'm going to show you how it's rendered in a. I'm going to create that. I'm going to publish it. Right. Okay, now it's going to be published. Okay, San Francisco City Planner. Okay, to personalize. Okay, the UI and the design should be improved, but as you can see, it's create a prompt with specific variables, and each steps are going to be executed. I'm going to run this prompt again, and it will be similar. For example, here I'm going to specify the call would be with Anthropic Cloud, and the response, the output format will be like JSON. I'm going to save that. I'm going to run it. Date, I would say like summer, and the profile I like hiking and nature, right? And nature. Going to execute the steps. I'm going to show you. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to edit the prompt and show you the integrations with tools. To integrate the tools, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new prompt. I'm going to call it send email. I'm going to close this and I'm going to send an email to Chris. Send and provide the result. And I'm going to use like a tools, and I'm going to put that to make a tools. The goals will be to have better editors and with auto completions to detect the tools and to detect like the variables. For example, here I'm going to say like the variable will be Chris, and the result will be like that's the variable for the results. I'm going to save that. Improvement. Okay, I'm going to save that. So I'm going to run it again. And now I have like the options to connect MCP server. It's going to call like the Clavis. I use Clavis now, but I integrate also Composio. Okay, the MCP server is connected, and I'm going to run this. I'm going to pass the results, and I'm going to put my email address, gmail.com. And I'm going to execute the steps, and it's going to call the MCP server and tell him to send the email with the specific address. And, okay, I need to make it more fast. The email has been successfully sent, so I'm going to go to my Gmail, and yes, and you can see like the result. That's it for me. That's a workflow I would like to develop. Obviously, there is more integrations to do, more designs to make, but that is the main workflow.